Welcome back to Top 5 Repairs. If this EV warning light is showing up on your dashboard, I'm going to show you guys some of the possible reasons why you're getting that warning light. The first and most common reason why you're getting an EV warning light is your charge port door is open. Make sure to close your charge port door, because if that charge port door is open, it's going to trigger that EV warning light. Also, make sure to inspect your charge port door. Make sure the hinge is not broken, and make sure the electrical wire that's attached to it, make sure there's no issue with it. The next most common problem while you're getting the EV warning light is going to be your 12-volt battery. If your 12-volt battery is a few years old, or let's just say the weather is extremely cold, it's going to affect that 12-volt battery, and most likely it might trigger that EV warning light. If the EV warning light is still showing up on that dashboard after inspecting the charge port door and after checking the 12-volt battery, then most likely you might have bigger issue. So again, if you check your charge port door and your 12-volt battery and that didn't fix the issue, then most likely you're going to have bigger problems. For example, you might have a problem with your shift control system. If you notice that your vehicle cannot shift into drive or into reverse, then most likely your shift control system is causing the issue. At this point, it is best to take your vehicle to the dealership, because dealing with an electrical vehicle is quite complicated to diagnose. The next bigger problem is going to be your evse. That's basically your electric vehicle supply equipment. If there's a short inside your evse, this can cause the system to keep shutting down, again triggering that EV warning light. The next bigger problem is going to be your lithium ion battery. So your lithium ion battery can fail for many reasons. For example, it can fail due to overcharging, it can fail due to overheating, it can fail due to thermal runaway, and obviously it can fail due to age. So again, if your lithium ion battery is the issue, it is best to take your vehicle to a dealership and have them check to see what's going on, because a failed lithium ion battery can actually catch on fire. The next bigger problem is going to be your traction motor and inverter system. If your traction motor and inverter system completely fail, your vehicle will actually shut down while driving. And if you try to start your vehicle, you may notice your vehicle will not start at all. And then for some lucky reason why your vehicle starts, later on, it might just randomly turn off. At this point, most likely you have to replace your inverter, and that can be quite expensive. If your EV warning light turns on and off and you don't notice any issue at all, maybe the problem could just be intermittent. For example, if you're driving on a very steep hill and the EV warning light turn on, it just means that maybe at that point your vehicle is struggling a bit going up that hill and it's temporarily turning on that warning light. I hope you found this lesson useful. As always, thanks for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Repairs.